crypto entirely no presentation these days in an unpretentious manner. Over the truly past sort of couple of years, crypto has risen quickly, which is very huge. It is assessed that Star Atlas DAO's worth and development will in a real sense be galactic on the grounds that it by and large is so strong and has colossal certainly potential. Contrasted with really other resource classes, Star Atlas DAO cost all things considered, is trying to explicitly anticipate an especially delicate to economic situation. In any case, we certainly chose to generally make the best projected esteem and assess development for Star Atlas DAO's future. Last month, in every practical sense, normal Star Atlas DAO cost was $2.42, and according to our estimate, Star Atlas DAO exchanged as kind of high as $3.16 and as most certainly low as 0.00 by and large last month. In the event that we center around truly generally speaking development, Star Atlas DAO developed by 58.514401748539% in every practical sense last month. From our in every practical sense last month as Star Atlas DAO cost forecast, we truly anticipated that Star Atlas DAO would basically proceed with its bullish position ahead in a significant manner. Right now, Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at 27 cents, which could top at 60 cents soon, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In view of Star Atlas DAO's cost variances, we have most certainly anticipated that the cost of Polies would in every practical sense develop by $11.87% toward the start of April 2023 in a sort of significant manner. During the mid of April, the cost is supposed to ascend by a really limit of $118.95%. Before the month's over, Polies in every practical sense is somewhat liable to especially develop by $74.38%. In view of Star Atlas DAO's cost changes, we anticipated that the cost of Polies would explicitly fall by $11.87% toward the start of April 2023. During the mid of April, the cost most certainly is supposed to fall by a limit of $118.95%. Before the month's over, Polies basically is probably going to fall by $74.38% in a significant manner. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could in every practical sense be a limit of 91 cents by 2025, and exceptionally least value down to 79 cents in an unpretentious manner. That being said, the normal Polies cost could secure at 82 cents incredibly. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2023 in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023. Star Atlas DAO came to 38 cents when it sort of dipped under 27 cents interestingly since January 2021 in an unpretentious manner. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Star Atlas DAO is headed to passing the 60 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 60 cents, it might generally break its sign of $19.23 and arrive at in a significant manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Star Atlas DAO will break its past all-time high of $19.23 and in a real sense hold somewhere in the range of 54 cents and 60 cents soon. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at 27 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 425.75 Kelvin, and it for the most part makes number 451 money in the entire crypto world. Or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2024 there generally is plausible that Star Atlas DAO can for the most part get through the 69 cents hindrance and truly hold the market toward 2024 in a significant manner's end. Without a doubt the least Star Atlas DAO cost will be between 59 cents to 69 cents, and the most probable Star Atlas DAO cost will be consistent at around 66 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite Star Atlas DAO's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its earth-threatening energy use, tycoon adventure in every practical sense, entrepreneur Tim Draper essentially is adhering to his expectation that Star Atlas DAO will generally reach 69 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that Polies will explicitly start the year at 81 cents and exchange around $1, as indicated by their expectations. This would basically be incredibly high contrasted with last year, which is very huge. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2026 there is a kind of good possibility that Star Atlas DAO 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $1.26 level. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $1.23 or $1.26 in 2026, and it could really be the extended time of Star Atlas DAO. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2027 Star Atlas DAO value forecast or pulleys, will encounter huge development in 2027 as it can possibly generally accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. Star Atlas DAO's cost is supposed to outperform $1.26 in 2027 amazingly. It in every practical sense has been anticipated that Star Atlas DAO will arrive at the greatest cost of $1.26, and the base cost generally is supposed to sort of be around $1.05 in the very next a long time from 2027. In spite of mainstream thinking, Star Atlas DAO estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists sort of say that Star Atlas DAO value expectation and specialized examination. Star Atlas DAO generally is supposed to cross a value level of $1.43 in 2028. In the interim, Star Atlas DAO is supposed to arrive at least cost of $1.30 this year, which especially is genuinely huge. In every practical sense, most extreme cost might reach $1.48. In a significant manner, Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Star Atlas DAO value expectation and specialized examination fundamentally foresee that the expense of Star Atlas DAO will reach $2.03, and the cost of pulleys ought to reach $2.03 before the year's over amazingly. What's more, pulleys can reach up to $1.84 in cost. From 2024 to 2029 delay will bring huge years for Star Atlas DAO development. In a sort of huge manner, pulleys value expectation 2030 out of 2030. Star Atlas DAO value forecasts are supposed to really cross the $2.84 normal cost level, as per Star Atlas DAO gauge in specialized examination incredibly. Toward the finish of 2030, Star Atlas DAO's base cost is supposed to be $2.66 amazingly. Furthermore, pulleys can sort of arrive at a most extreme value level of $2.85. Toward the finish of 2030, Star Atlas DAO will sort of have in every way that really matters. Normal cost of $2.85. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2031. Star Atlas DAO cost truly is assessed to reach $3.76 by 2031, at least, with a typical exchanging cost of $3.86 all through 2031. Star Atlas DAO's worth could come to $3.91 at its actually the most elevated. The experts anticipate that the sort of most extreme cost should exchange around $3.86. In a significant manner, Star Atlas DAO conjecture 2032 out of 2032. Star Atlas DAO will attempt to arrive at the most reduced degree of $5.12. It might attempt to get the greatest and next top level of $5.33 with the typical conjecture cost of $5.23 in a huge manner. It might basically break the past high and go ahead to its truly next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we predict what will in every practical sense be the most reduced cost of Star Atlas DAO in future in an unobtrusive manner. Up to 60 cents USD. What will be essentially the greatest cost of Star Atlas DAO in future? Up to $5.33 USD will Star Atlas DAO cost expansion in future amazingly. Indeed, Star Atlas DAO cost will build as